Calling all the passengers booked on flight JL746 bound for Tokyo, Japan to proceed to Gate 12 for boarding. Please have your boarding pass and valid ID ready for inspection. Passengers requiring special assistance, those traveling with children, and our premium class guests may board first. Once again, this is the final boarding call for flight JL746 to Tokyo, Japan. Kindly make your way to Gate 12 immediately. Thank you for flying with us, and we wish you a pleasant journey.
Good morning, Miss. Good morning and welcome to Japan Airlines, Miss Virai. I hope you're having a smooth start to your day. May I kindly see your passport and ticket, please? Sure, here you go. Thank you. I'll just verify your details. Perfect. Everything looks great. You're traveling to Tokyo today and your flight is scheduled to depart at 3 p.m. You'll be boarding at gate 12 and boarding begins at 2 p.m.
Sounds good. Is the gate far from here?
Not at all. It's all about 5-minute walk straight down this hallway. I've included a map of the terminal in case you'd like to explore or grab bite before boarding. You're seated in ABC, which an aisle seat. If you prefer a window or something closer to the front, I'd be happy to check availability.
No, the aisle seat is perfect for me. I like to stretch my legs.
Great choice. Do you have any checked baggage today?
Oh yes, just this backpack.
Great. I'll tag that for now. Please ensure you remove any valuables or electronics before it goes on the bill.
It's already done. Thank you.
Here's your boarding pass and baggage kit tab. Security is just down the hall to your left. Please have your passport and boarding pass ready for inspection.
Got it. Thanks.
Thank you for choosing Japan Airlines, Ms. Virai. We're honored to have you on board today. If you need anything else before your flight, don't hesitate to ask. Safe travel and enjoy your journey to Tokyo.
I appreciate it. Have a nice day. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good afternoon, sir. I'm about to enter the aircraft.
Good afternoon, ma'am. We're delighted to have you on board. May I take a look at your boarding pass, please?
Sure, here's my boarding pass.
Thank you. You're seated in 18C, which is an aisle seat. That's a great spot. Lots of guests preferring for comfort. If you need any help stowing your carry-on, our cabin crew will be happy to assist you once you're on board. Just follow the signs down the jet bridge, and once inside the aircraft, just turn right to reach your seat. Boarding is moving smoothly and we expect a comfortable flight. If you have any last-minute questions or need directions to the gate, I'm here to help. Thank you for flying with Japan Airlines, Ms. Virai. We hope you have a relaxing and enjoyable trip. Safe travels.
I appreciate that. Thank you.
Gentlemen, this is Lorraine, and together with my team, we welcome you aboard Japan Airlines flight JL746. We are now ready to depart for Japan, and our flying time is approximately 7 minutes. We ask that your seats and table trays are in upright position for takeoff. Slow pace prohibited for the duration of the flight. Transmitting devices, such as mobile phones and laptops, must be turned off or in airplane mode as they can interfere with the aircraft's navigation equipment. Also, may I just remind you to keep your personal valuables, such as wallets, jewelry, and electronic devices, safe at all times.
Good afternoon, Ms. Virai. I hope you are having a comfortable flight so far. We're about to begin our meal service. May I offer you something to eat?
courses prepared for this flight: chicken teriyaki served with steamed jasmine rice and salted vegetables, or vegetarian pasta in a tomato basil sauce, accompanied by garlic bread. Each of you can have a fresh garden salad, soft roll with butter, and a dessert. Today, it's a meal to lose. You also receive a napkin set and cutlery.
I'll go with the chicken teriyaki.
Great choice. Let me leave that for you. Here you are, Miss Rai. Is everything positioned comfortably for you?
Yes, this looks great. Thank you.
Wonderful. Would you like a beverage to go with your meals?
Yes.
We're offering water, apple juice, orange juice, Coke, Sprite, and coffee. Alcohol beverage is also available for your purchase.
Just water for today.
Of course. Here's your water, ma'am. If you need anything else, just click the call button and I'll be here to assist you.
Sure. Thank you very much.
Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention please? This is a scheduled emergency procedure drill. Please know that this is only a drill and not a real emergency. We are conducting this exercise to ensure our crew is fully prepared to respond effectively in the unlikely event of a natural emergency. As part of this drill, we will stimulate an emergency scenario. Please remain seated and follow the instructions of the crew. You may hear commands such as bend down or see crew members demonstrating emergency procedures. Again, this is a drill and there is no cause for concern. Emergency bend down! Emergency bend down! Emergency bend down! Emergency bend down! Emergency! Open seatbelt back to it! 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 Exit here, get out, 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 exit here, get out. Check for seatbelt passenger, check for seatbelt passenger, check for seatbelt passenger, check for seatbelt passenger, check for seatbelt passenger.
Ladies and gentlemen, please direct your attention to your cabin crew who will demonstrate the safety features of these aircraft. Each seat is provided with a seatbelt. To fasten, push and sit together. Pull the strap to adjust. To unfasten, just off the buckle and pull the free end to release. In case of water running, your life vest is under your seat. Remove sharp objects from your body. To use, slip the vest over your head, put the strap around your waist, and secure the buckle. Pull the strap tightly. As you leave the plane, pull inflation tags to inflate the vest. Manual inflation is done by the means of the white tubes. Blows and release air and pushes inward to release air. Lights will activate automatically in the water. Please be advised that unauthorized removal of life vests from these aircraft is a criminal offense. The special life vests are available for children under the age of 4. In case of decompression, oxygen mask will automatically drop from the compartments above. Immediately grab the mask and pull it to the waist. Put the mask over your nose and the mouth. Pull elastic band sideways for a snap and breathe normally. If you're traveling with a child, put your own mask first before assisting others. Keep it on until you're advised to remove it. In case of emergency evacuation, follow the line that will lead you to the exits. For further information, please refer to the passenger safety card found in your seat pocket. Thank you and enjoy your flight.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Tokyo, Japan.
We have just landed safely at Haneda International Airport, and the local time is 7 o'clock p.m. On behalf of our flight deck crew led by Captain Hiroshi Tanaka and First Officer Eri Nakamura, along with the entire Japan Airlines cabin crew, we thank you for flying with us today. It has been our pleasure to serve you on flight JL746 from Singapore, and we hope you had a comfortable and pleasant journey. For those who check with luggage, you may proceed to carousel floor in the arrivals hall. If Tokyo is your final destination, we wish you a wonderful stay. For those connecting to other flights, please check the monitors for updated gate information. Please remain seated until the seatbelt sign is turned off, and take care by opening overhead compartments as items may have shifted during the flight. Thank you once again for choosing Japan Airlines. We look forward to welcoming you on board again soon. Safe travels and enjoy your time in Japan.